我是悠悠中文的魏魏。I'm Wei Wei with Yo-Yo Chinese. Today we'll be learning how to say different two kinds of food in Chinese. To stay up to date on our new videos, make sure you click like and follow us here. Now let's check out our first word. It's 中餐. We've seen this before in 中文, right? 中 itself means middle or China, and 餐 means food. So naturally, the word 中餐 means Chinese food. Say it with me. 中餐中餐很好. And our next word is 西餐. 西 means west or the west, and 餐 we just learned means food. So can you guess what 西餐 means? Right, it means Western food. 很好. Say it together with me. 西餐西餐 Great! Now let's put this word to use. Can you guess what this sentence means? 我喜欢中餐. It means I like Chinese food. Okay, this one is a little harder. So the next sentence, what do you think this means in English? 你喜欢西餐吗? Do you like Western food? Did you get that? Awesome! That question is definitely a good one to ask your Chinese friends. We cover both today's words as well as a ton of other types of food in the paid content with our courses. So be sure to check them out on our website. Now let's use these words we just learned to make a longer sentence. What does this sentence mean? 我很喜欢吃中餐. It means I really like to eat Chinese food. 很好. By the way, as you can see here in this example, 很 can be used before both adjective and verbs. It's super useful. Alright, let's say the sentence together. Ready? 我很喜欢吃中餐.我很喜欢吃中餐. 很好. If you've been enjoying the Chinese that we're sprinkling into these videos, you'll love our complete program on yoyochinese.com. Our conversational track starts with beginner and advances to intermediate up to upper intermediate, and we begin adding in useful Chinese phrases all along the way. Our upper intermediate course is a student favorite. We start out with about 10% of the language and culture explanations of each video in Chinese, and slowly throughout the course using more and more Chinese. By the end of the course, over 90% of the video lessons are taught in Chinese, with subtitles for reference as needed. So many students have come back to us and saying that over the course of taking our conversational courses, their listening and speaking have skyrocketed. But don't take their word for it. Go to yoyochinese.com right now, sign up, and check out any of the first lessons of any of our courses for free so you can see for yourself. That's all for this segment of Chinese Phrase of the Day. I'll see you next time.